Chance 3, Mum's Champion 4, Sniper 5, Boher Merchant 6 is LOCHBO DONNA. Racing, and away they go. 3 comes away quickly. Mum's Champion to the first bend, has 2 lengths nearly from 5 and 4, and then comes 1 and 4 now. Sniper is making a run on the inside. 1 is coming into it as well. 3, 1, 2, 4 has gone back, and as they turn up for home, Trap 3 is there. Mum's Champion is very strong up for the line. Trap 3 goes over in front. 3, 1 and 4, and that's how they finish in the second.